Arkara Villa and Suite in Ubud. I will show you picture of 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom pool villa. Have a look in my Instagram for special offer. First time viewer, click subscribe button. This is the main lobby with a koi pond, koi fish. We are in the edge of a jungle and rice field. There are many wood carving statues because this is the village of Singakerta, famous for its wood carving. Reception are mostly all wooden table and decoration. This is the alley to the villa suite and pool. One-bedroom private pool villa with wooden floor and panels. It has one big bathroom. It fits 3 extra beds. Private kitchen with unlimited mineral water and cooking stove. Private pool and sun or pool chairs available. Two-bedroom pool villa, also with wooden floor and panels, has 2 floors, lower and upper floor with ensuite bathroom. Upper room has a balcony with main pool and jungle view. The main restaurant is above the reception, with a stunning view of the rice field. It has a dead end for car, but not for motorcycle. There are a variation of typical Balinese and Indonesian food, European and international cuisine as well. Here, I ordered Arkara nasi goreng. It's a fried rice with satay, with small pork meat, chips and salad. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our Instagram, which are in English. See you soon.